Hello children, I hope you have seen my previous video related with Scratch. So let us move on today. Children, today let us start with tabs. You can see three tabs on your Scratch window. First one is script. Scripts tabs help us to write the scripting for your sprite. Sometimes it happens that children have clicked on costume or sounds and they are saying, ma'am, my menu is not coming. So first you have to click on scripts and then you can write program for your sprite. Next is costume. It is used to create your own sprite, or you can add it or copy your sprite. Then sounds will display the sounds which are used for your sprite. Afterward, we have a small toolbar which has 4 buttons like duplicate, delete, grow and shrink. These are not actually come with these names, they are come with the icons like duplicate to create a copy of your sprite, delete to a scissor sign will come at that place and you can delete your sprite by it, or sounds, block and scripts also. Then grow is used to increase the size of sprite and shrink will help us to decrease the size of your sprite. Children, next you can see a green flag on your screen. It is used to run your program. Okay, and then stop button. It is used to interrupt your program in between or at the end of the program. If you want to use it, you can use. Next we have sprite. You know that the character which is working according to your instructions is known as sprite, and cat is your default sprite, and you can add more sprites from the gallery and you can create also. Next, new sprite button. New sprite button is used to choose a new sprite from the library, or paint a new sprite, or you can upload a new sprite also from any file, or you can also click by the camera. Sprite list will show you a list of sprites which you are using in your project. Next we have sprite info pan. By clicking on the blue icon on the top left corner of the sprite, you can see sprite info pan will be displayed. This pan is used to change the sprite information and to rotate the sprite also. Children, next we have scratch blocks. One by one we will discuss them. There are 10 color coded categories of scratch blocks. So first of all we have motion block. It is used to control a sprite's placement, direction, rotation and movement also. Next we have looks block. Looks block is used to change the look of your sprite, or you can change the background appearance of your sprite, and even we can write the text on a stage. Next we have sound. It is used to control the playback and the volume of the musical notes and audio files which we are using in our animation. Next we have pen block. Pen block is used to draw something, or you can write something, or you can increase or decrease the size of your pen or color. Next is data. The data is for included subcategories just like variables, lists. Both are related to storing and accessing the data, which you will learn afterwards. Next we have events block. It is used to control the events and triggering the script, and when it will, your sprite will work, when it will move. You can give all these commands by the help of events block. Next is control block. It is used to control the execution of the script or predefined events. Next we have sensing block. Sensing block is used to determine the location of the mouse pointer, or you can check the distance of the sprites, or whether the sprite is touching another sprite or not, or the sprite is touching the edge or not. You can use this block for that. Next is operators block. It is used for any arithmetic operator, rounding off and other logical comparisons. The last one we have, that is more blocks. These blocks are user made custom blocks that you will learn in higher classes. Now children, I am going to show you how you can move a cat or how you can use a block. First, when you will open the Scratch, the cat will come by default and the scripts and motion will be selected by default. So what we will do? We will simply click on move 10 steps and click on the coding. You will see your cat is moving. Now here I change the step by I am writing here 20, and when I am clicking here you can see it is moving. And when you will click it on and move it back, and again you can see when you are clicking it, it is moving towards its face side, towards forward, like this. By this way you can see we can use any block. This is the scripting area and we are dragging from here to here, and when I am clicking on this I can check what it will affect on my sprite. So I think that's enough for today, children. You have to practice if you have PC at home, otherwise you can read the chapter carefully. Next time we will make one project in Scratch. So till then, goodbye, good day.